Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is Mommy Soli, and this is a video and photo compilation of our 2023 Family Day here in Ontario. Our first stop is Cheesecake Factory in Yorkdale, Toronto, and I believe this is the only cheesecake factory here in Canada. And this is a very busy restaurant. It took us about 45 minutes to get seated. Okay, so this is their famous bread as usual. It's great. I ordered pasta carbonara for my husband, mac and cheese for my daughter, chicken fingers for my son, steak medallion for my mom, and then I also ordered to share flatbread pizza, and then I had the eggs benedict with ham. Okay, so this is how our table looks like after eating all of the mains. We were so full, but we still have some more room for strawberry cheesecake. I really like it. Overall, excellent service, excellent food. We spent $175, including 18% tip. Next activity was movie time, Avatar Way of Water. It's a great movie. It's just that it's too long for me.
Catherine Newton and Evangeline Lilly here from Marvel Studios' Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. We're here to put your knowledge to the test.
Next day, we went to Lynn Shores Conservation Area in Whitby. This is a wonderful place. I really like being with nature. Even if it's cold, I really enjoyed it. And I like that there's a lot of people, but it doesn't seem so because the place is huge and you can be alone. And next task for Mommy Soli is, of course, cooking for my family. So I made chicken noodle soup for them using Costco rotisserie chicken, the ever reliable one. Okay, so now that I'm watching this, I'm really craving for chicken noodle soup right now, or anything soupy. Last night we had 20 centimeters of snow once again. Not that I'm complaining, but I couldn't wait for spring to come. I'm very grateful for this holiday and rest for all of us, and just having a simple celebration is fine with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves.